What's been the second biggest complaint about the jet ski market this year, besides product not being there, is, oh, well, the dealers are marking up stuff and all the markups, they're just marking things up. Oh, the markups. Where are the markups coming from? Okay. You cannot legally change your MSRP once it's announced at the beginning of the model year. You can't. So what's happening is that they're looking at, oh my gosh, it's now so much more money to ship something across the states or across the world. All right. You know what the cost of containers, big metal shipping containers? Do you know that they've gone up 300%? 300%. I want you to take that number and I want you to write it on your hand and go 300%. And I want you to take anything that you pay for in your life and multiply it by 300% and think, can I still live with this? Think about it. Sea-Doo, Kawasaki, Yamaha. They're not flying those parts over. All right. They're on container ships that go pit-putt across the Pacific Ocean into the Port of Long Beach and then get put on a big rig and gets towed all the way out. All right. They are paying through the butt just to move parts over. All right. Yamaha engines, Kawasaki engines, all made in Japan. Then they got to take a finished Sea-Doo or finished Yamaha, put it in a container ship or put it in a container, and you can put 10 or 12 jet skis in a container, and you got to put 10 or 12 jet skis in a container that you're now paying 300% more on for the container, and send it to New Zealand or send it to Brazil or send it to Portugal or wherever the hell it's going. Think about it. Think about the cost increase. All right. And they legally cannot change the MSRP. So where are they going to recoup that cost, that sudden hike? Where is it going to come from? It's coming out of you guys' wallet. Everyone who must have a brand new unit, you're going to pay. And guess what? The dealer's sitting there going like, shit, all right, now I'm paying it. I have to buy that jet ski. They go, crap, my cost is shot up 300% or whatever the percentage is. And they go, how are we going to recoup that? Because we're working within this budget. What are they going to do? Suddenly, there's surcharges. Suddenly, there's transportation fees. Suddenly, there's whatever other fee. And everyone looks at it and goes, this is BS. This is a bunch of crap. Well, guess what? The little guy always pays. All right? A gallon of milk suddenly triples in price. Guess who's going to cover that cost? Ralph's grocery store is not going to cover it. Vaughn's isn't going to cover it. Kroger ain't going to cover it. You're going to pay for it. Dairy farmer ain't going to pay for it. You are. That's how it goes. Welcome to a consumer market. All right. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.